In this lecture, we are going to talk about very important topic, which is arrays. Arrays are nothing but collection of data. So in normal scenarios where we declare an integer, then that integer is capable of storing a single data value. Now suppose if we want to store multiple data values, in that case we will require some type of storage which can store those multiple data values. Arrays can alternatively also called as sequential collection of same data type. What that means is I can have multiple integer variables clubbed together which can be called as a collection of same data type. So in this example, I am using this variable x, which is an array of size 4. So this is collection of a data type which can store 4 data values. All array variables will have an index which are used for accessing and storing values into those array variables. So if you have arrays of size 4, then its index will start from 0, then 1, 2 and then 3. So all array indexes will always start with 0. So why do we need arrays? Let us take one hypothetical example where you are required to declare hundreds of variables. In that case, instead of declaring those variables like this, marks1, marks2, marks3, you can alternatively use arrays like this. So I am declaring a variable marks with size of 3. So here marks will have these 3 variables as a collection called as arrays. And all these 3 individual variables can be accessed using their index. Again, just to revise, x is an array which is a collection of same data type. Here in this example, I am using x as an array of size 4. So x0 is my first element and x3 is my last element. In the next lecture, we will check how we can declare, initialize and use arrays in a program.